Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can edit files through Google Drive, so let's get right into it. Now, the files that you are limited to edit on Google Drive or through Google Drive are Google Docs, Google Slides, and Google Sheets, or pretty much Word, Excel, and PowerPoint files, pretty much, and those are pretty much the only ones that you can edit. You can also try and edit PDFs as well. I've heard somewhere that you can do that, however, I'm not 100% certain. But let me just go over into my home, and as you can see, if I go to my drive, I have a document open or a document saved in my drive, and all you have to do to edit it is just double click it and it'll open up a Google Docs folder or tab, and here you can edit it however you want. As you can see, I'll just click here and say edit text, and I'll just save it like that. As you can see here at the top, it's saved to drive. Now I'll close this down, and if I reopen it from the same link, as you can see, the actual file has been changed, and that's how you edit files. Hope you guys enjoyed, and we'll be seeing you guys in another video.